The construct about combination strategy is very important to understand that the combination strategies in relapse when you can't use, for example, a bispecific or a CAR-T, these are very, very important to have. So what we're excited about is that something like Pomalidomide, Bortezomib and Dexamethasone, we know from the updated survival results of Optimism, show sustained clinical benefit, be it in PFS, PFS2, and a trend in survival, recognizing that survival is always not so easy to interpret when you've got lots of effective options that can then be used later. So with a sort of recognition of the safety and solid clinical benefit of PVd, the ability to add to it with other antibodies is very helpful. So we know that obviously if you can add a CD38 to that platform, things are very likely to work very well, and there's studies that have tested this and shown it. What we saw with PVd Elotuzumab was to show, well, if you've already had a CD38 or Elotuzumab is a rational choice, what happens? And with the leadership of my colleague Dr. Andy Yee, we've shown that PVd Elo is a very safe combination, and most importantly, it's very active, and there's been a duration of response and a subgroup of patients who've enjoyed very long progression-free survivals from the PVd Elo platform. So with that safety and with the fact that you can then use it and generate really long, many years of progression-free survival in subsets of patients, this I think was a very exciting finding in our study. So we're very pleased with that.